Hey guys, it is Free Fishbear here, and today I'll be showing you how to install wizard101. Now, after this video, I'm going to be making a wizard101 Let's Play. That'll be fun. So first you just want to click up here to put it, and just put wizard101.com. I think that's how you do it. Bring you to the right place. Yeah. And then it'll bring you here. Do you press play, which turns into sign up. So press that, and it's easy. It'll just bring you to this. So now it's pretty cool. I'm just gonna skip this. Actually, I'll go back. So if you're new to this, you can watch. If you don't know this game, you just watch the. Since if you're new to this, watch the video. But if not, just skip ahead. So let's wait.
Wizard City is but one of the many worlds of the Spiral. Here, young students like yourself learn the ways of magic. It is an extraordinary school for extraordinary students, a place of enchantment and adventure. You will make great friends, see amazing sights, and do incredible things. Your studies will give you power beyond your wildest dreams. Great forces will be yours to command. Unfortunately, not everyone seeks their betterment through study, and magic is not always used to good ends. Dark forces are afoot, doing great evil, causing destruction and fear. We have need of brave young wizards to save the worlds of the Spiral, to defend all that is good and right. Are you the wizard we need?
So yeah, it is a pretty cool game, and I think like it's just being really laggy on me.
My vision seems to be fading.
If you're a girl, pick girl, but if you want to be a boy,
Boy
you can
or a girl?
just pick whatever one. Since I'm a boy, I'll pick boy. This isn't actually what you're gonna look like. You just so I'm a boy, so I'll pick next. Then after that, Star Wars 2. So now I'm gonna pick my name.
All right then. What's your name?
But the weird thing is, down is up, and up is down. So watch this. So let's do this is my first account. I'm gonna be let's do I'm just gonna do that. Okay, it's kinda Noah. That sounds like a cool name. Noah Lion Catcher. Yeah, that's a cool name. And so now my best character's name is it's Adam Death Rider. So let's do this. How do you spend your time? So you gotta pick this for a test to choose what you are. So I like to be with my friends.
Which of these is the most powerful?
Now I will pick. I'm not doing it. I'm just trying to like this. I'm gonna do the pleek because that was.
What is your favorite activity?
Let's do. I love playing with pets. I love camping.
What is your favorite time of day?
Afternoon.
The most important thing in a story is
is a hero or heroine. I just like all the characters, especially
What is your favorite animal?
Let's do. I like the added unicorn for the girls. I think I'm not doing my favorite animal. I'm just going to. I think this one. I think this one's myth. That one's ice. I think that's thunder. Life. That was serpent.
What is your favorite gemstone?
So I could pick this. I know what they all are. So this is thunder, fire. I think that's ice, actually. I think it's a myth, or this is myth. No, that's balance. That's myth, life, and death. Now I'm going to be life. Does that make me life? I don't know. Yeah, that makes me life. Now, it'll tell you what it's
Life
about.
wizards are often social, charming, funny, and attractive. Famous thirtists include Queen Titania, Leonardo da Vinci, and Thomas Jefferson. Life wizards are great at healing themselves and others.
Okay. Now, if you don't like it, you can choose a different school. My best character is Balance. It's basically all the schools. You can use all of them. No. I'm gonna do Storm since that does the most damage. Now it's gonna say.
Storm wizards are often impulsive, educated, creative, and independent. Famous diviners include Benjamin Franklin, Lady Circe, and Galileo. Storm wizards are capable of devastating attacks, but have somewhat weaker defenses.
Yeah, I'll do next. Come on, what's next? Then it brings you here.
You're about to enter Wizard City. Tell me a bit about yourself.
So here, now it's 13 and up if you want to actually type. So I'm gonna use my team. I'm not actually gonna be using this just to say. So yeah, make a username. I'm gonna make it random since I'm not gonna be using this. And password. Fine. I'll just make it something really random. You don't know what I'm typing. Okay. Email address. Okay, I'll be right back after I do this since I don't want you guys to see it, so I'll be right back.
Come visit
There we
the
go.
Golden Tower.
Now,
You must begin your
because you
training
press done up
once.
here after you're done. Now, just click play for free, and it'll start installing and everything. And so, yeah, that is how you download wizard101. Thanks for watching, and peace.